Have you ever held a glass of wine and taken a moment to reflect on more than just the shimmering liquid inside? Today, we're exploring 10 lesser-known facts about the world of wine. Not just your usual grape talk, but some truly fascinating facts that will make you sound like a sommelier at your next dinner party. So grab a glass, sit back, and let's uncork some secrets. Number 1. Wine grapes are different from table grapes. Did you know that wine grapes are different from table grapes? Wine grapes are smaller, sweeter, and have thicker skins. They also contain more seeds and less water, which helps to concentrate their flavor. Table grapes, on the other hand, are grown mainly for freshness and appearance, not for fermentation. Number 2. The oldest known winery is over 6,000 years old. In 2007, archaeologists discovered a winery inside the Arini Cave, located in the Arini village in Armenia. This winery dates back to around 4,100 BC. The site included a wine press, fermentation vats, and even drinking cups. Clear evidence that humans have been enjoying wine for thousands of years. Number 3. Ancient Egyptians buried wine with their pharaohs. The ancient Egyptians were among the first to treasure wine. They placed wine jars in the tombs of their pharaohs as part of burial rituals, believing the drink would accompany them into the afterlife. Archaeologists have even discovered wine jars marked with hieroglyphics showing the vineyard and the year, essentially the first recorded wine labels in history. Number 4. Not all wines get better with age. Many people believe that all wines get better with age, but that's not exactly true. In reality, only a small number, about 1%, actually improve over time. Most wines are made to be enjoyed while they're still young, usually within a few years after bottling. So the idea that every wine becomes finer with age is more of a myth than a fact. Number 5. Wine tasting involves all your senses. Wine tasting isn't just about taking a sip. It actually involves all your senses. Wine experts, known as sommeliers, use sight, smell, taste, and even hearing, like the sound of the pour, to appreciate a wine fully. The aroma alone can reveal more than 200 distinct notes, ranging from berries and flowers to leather and chocolate. Number 6. Monks were once among the most important winemakers in Europe. Many monasteries, particularly in France, played a key role in perfecting the art of viticulture. In regions like Burgundy and Champagne, monks even developed the earliest vineyard classifications, laying the foundation for the wines we know today. Number 7. Ice wine. Ice wine comes from frozen grapes. Here's a fascinating one. Ice wine, or ice wine, comes from grapes that are left on the vine until they freeze naturally. As the water in the grapes freezes, it stays behind, leaving behind a concentrated sweet juice. The result from these grapes is a rich, dessert-like wine that's both rare and delicious. Number 8. Terroir means much more than just soil. Did you know that in winery, the term terroir is about much more than just soil? It refers to the entire environment where grapes are grown, including the soil, climate, sunlight, and even the slope of the vineyard. This is why wines made from the same grape can taste completely different depending on the region. Number 9. Some wines are aged under the sea. Did you know that some winemakers take a truly unique approach? They age their wines underwater for months or even years. The constant temperature, darkness, and pressure are said to enhance the flavor. And when the bottles are finally brought to the surface, they often emerge covered in shells and coral. A striking sight as well as a rare tasting experience. Number 10. Champagne was discovered by accident. Contrary to popular legend, Dom Pérignon didn't invent champagne. In fact, he was trying to prevent bubbles from forming. But early bottles often exploded because of trapped carbon dioxide. This accidental fizz led to what we now know as the world's most famous sparkling wine. So there you have it. Wine isn't just a drink, it's a time capsule of human history, science, and art. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through the world of wine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the beautiful universe of wines. Cheers, or as the French say, merci.